Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your phone number is lost which is binded to your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, if you lost your phone number, you should reach out to the phone number provider or the telecom and get the same phone number by providing the credential. Then after that, you'll have to worry about nothing. And if you can't do that at the time being, you should just simply scroll down a bit and then click to this report a problem section. And after coming into this section, again scroll down to bottom, then click to this submit a report option. And after clicking into submit a report option, it will lead you to a new page where you can submit your request. Now into here, you just simply have to write down, I lost my phone number which is binded to my TikTok account and I want to change the phone number, so I need help. And after that, just simply click to submit and then TikTok help desk will get your report, and after that they will provide possible solutions for your issue. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.